going on? It's Steve here. Hope you're doing fantastic. Today, we're going to do a 3-minute guitar lesson for Jason Aldean's Night Train. Cool country song from, I don't know, 10 years ago, maybe more. Let's give it a shot here. It's got some pretty easy chords, and I'll start it off. I got my capo on the 1st fret. You can do it in other ways, but I think what's good about this one is you're playing an E major shape, and it gets that nice low end. Sort of low end of the bass notes right there. So it goes like this. E major to A major. That's when he says, I've been thinking about you all day, baby. E major. And it goes back to E major. Now B. That's a B major again because we're playing with the capo here. It's not actually a B. You're technically playing a C chord. But we'll call it a B major because that's what we're doing here with the capo. Back to A. And then it continues the verse again, does another verse. So E up to A, back down to E major, to that B major. I play it with my thumb. You can bar it if you want to. Back down to A one more time. And now you go to this chord. That's a C sharp minor. Then you go back down to the A, E, to the B. One more time on that C sharp minor. This is when he's saying about a mile off Old Mill Road. To the E. That's when he says, let me take it to the night train. Back there again. So you do that same thing. So that's the hardest chord in the whole thing right there. It's that really A minor shape, but you're bringing it up here, and therefore you have to put your finger there or your finger in your thumb. So this is the heart of the chorus when he's saying night train. Time. That's that C sharp minor down to the A major to the E major to B, and then it ends with this cool little A chord like that, and it does the verse over again. So that's it. Jason Aldean Night Train in 3 minutes. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next time.